welcome to Chef Dawg. Today we're going to be doing a little taste test. If this might need to be PG-13. Bitchin Sauce from Costco. Chipotle, the original almond dip. You can get this right now, $9.99 Costco. A buddy of mine told me to try this out. Oddly enough, I already had it in the fridge. So we're gonna put this on a sandwich that we're making and let you know what we think. Here's some nutritional facts, those that care. You can look at that really fast. You can pause it. And we're doing a review on some Bear chicken. It's from Bear, it's a chicken filet. We're putting that on that sandwich. You can see that review right here if you want. That's coming. But this is the spread right here. I'll put it on. This is going on our chicken sandwich. Now we've done this before, folks, and it is delicious. But just a sample of this. Woo-hoo! Whoa! That hits the throat and it stings a little bit, burns a little bit, but it's so good, especially when you spread it on a sandwich. But it does, it has kind of a smoky taste to it. I like it a lot. So got that bitchin' sauce on here on our filet. Give it a chop. I freaking love it. I like spicy things, I like hot things. So if you do, you'll love it on that. And again, these sandwiches are the best. Oh, hey. The sauce though, really hot. I like the flavor. It's a little bit more smokier than I maybe would prefer. I'd like it a little sweetness. That's just me. So I'm not gonna knock it for that. I'm gonna give it up in that 8 range probably. Try it on other stuff if you want. This is what we've been using it for. And we've used it every single time we've made it and love it. Okay, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one. Bye.